Presenting the Kia 2020 Niro LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.